Core features we expect to see on iPhone 14 this year. In 2 months, Apple will announce the upcoming iPhone 14 series. With rumors heating up, there are some features that are pretty much confirmed on these new phones. Max regular iPhone 14 is coming. It's been a while since we've heard that iPhone mini sales disappoint Apple. Some sources can confirm that we won't see another of these phones with the 14 series. According to our sources, the new iPhone 14, codenamed D27 and D28, will be available in 6.1-inch and 6.7-inch versions, while the Pro models, codenamed D73 and D74, may be slightly taller to accommodate the new hole punch plus fill design. So, if you're looking for a smaller phone, you'll have to go with the new iPhone SE3 and its iconic design, buy the iPhone 13 mini or iPhone 12 mini. Different design between regular and Pro models. The iPhone 14 Pro will have a new hole punch plus pill design. This will be the first time Apple moves from the iPhone X look to a new approach. That said, this new design will be exclusive to the Pro models, since the regular versions will likely remain with the same notch like the iPhone 13, which is 30% smaller than the one found on the iPhone 12. Analyst Ross Young also corroborates this report by saying all the models will feature the same design again in 2023. Until then, if you want the newest design, you'll have to go with the Pro models. A15 Bionic for iPhone 14, A16 Bionic to iPhone 14 Pro. Some independent sources and analyst Ming-Chi Kuo said Apple might break from tradition this year by releasing some iPhone 14 models with the same A15 chip as the iPhone 13. The A15 chip would power the 6.1-inch iPhone 14 and 6.7-inch 14 Max, although the RAM would be upgraded to 6GB from 4GB. The new A16 SoC would be reserved for the higher-end and more expensive 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max models. As of now, it's unclear whether Apple will rebrand the A15 chip for the regular 14 phones such as A15X or instead use the more powerful version found on the iPhone 13 Pro. 48MP main sensor for the iPhone 14 Pro, biggest front-facing camera upgrade in years. Another important feature of the iPhone 14 Pro will be a 48MP wide sensor. First suggested by analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, Bloomberg's Mark Gurman was the latest to report on this new feature. While a 48MP could unlock new functionalities, it's likely that Apple will keep shooting photos in 12MP. The regular iPhone 14 models will stick with a 12MP sensor in all lenses. In June, Kuo said phone 14 will represent Apple's most significant front-facing smartphone camera upgrade in years. The analyst predicts that the new camera will feature autofocus, which should result in significantly better quality for capturing photos and videos compared to the current fixed focus camera. In addition, he also expects a larger f1.9 aperture. There are more rumors about this upcoming phone. For example, Apple could likely add satellite communication for the 2022 iPhone. This was first rumored for the 13 model, but ended up not making the cut. Apart from that, all the features above will likely be part of the iPhone 14. Which of them are you most excited to see on these new phones? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. And consider subscribing if you want more interesting videos like this one.